You take the plunge into altcoins, huh? Beyond Bitcoin.
Yeah,
That's awesome. Lots to explore out there, but gotta start with basics.
definitely.
Gotta make sure your foundation is strong. And for crypto, that means we gotta talk wallets.
Absolutely. That's where it all begins.
You know, it's more than just like
It's the gateway.
picking a random app.
Yeah, you don't want to just pick any old app and
I've heard some
call it a day.
horror stories, let me tell you.
Oh, yeah.
People losing all their crypto
Yeah, it's a big misconception.
just because they didn't understand.
People think a wallet is like a
Wow.
physical thing where you're storing coins.
Yeah, like a little purse
But it's not.
with coins in it.
It's really about your keys. It's all about the keys.
Oh, the keys.
Yeah, like super secure passwords
Fastfoot.
that give you access to your altcoins on the blockchain.
See, now you said blockchain.
Uh-huh.
So that's like,
Everyone throws that word around.
yeah, what is that?
It's important to understand it.
How does that keep my altcoins safe?
It's a giant public ledger. You can think of it like that.
Okay, a ledger.
It's a record of every crypto transaction ever made.
Wow, so every single one.
Every single one is unchangeable.
Wow, okay,
So your wallet with those private keys
okay.
is how you prove you own those coins on the ledger.
So it's like my ID on the ledger.
Exactly. And it's how you authorize transactions too.
So if someone gets my keys,
Then they have access to your coins.
they're gone.
Potentially. Yeah.
Wow, okay.
That's why security is paramount.
Okay, so when we're talking about like different types of wallet,
Right.
it's really about different ways of keeping those keys safe.
Different ways of protecting those keys.
Okay, so like what are some of the options?
So you've got things like hardware wallets,
Hardware.
which are like a physical device,
Okay,
like a little USB stick almost,
got it.
that stores your keys offline,
So like it's not connected to the internet.
not connected to the internet.
Okay, that sounds pretty secure.
It's considered the gold standard for security,
Wow, gold standard.
especially if you're worried about hackers,
Right, hackers and malware.
all that stuff. Yeah.
But I'm guessing if you're like actively trading
Right. If you're moving your coins around a lot,
all the time.
a hardware wallet can be a little bit clunky.
Yeah, because it's not connected.
Yeah, you got to plug it in every time.
Okay, what if you are doing that?
Then you might want to consider a software wallet,
Software wallet.
which lives on your phone or your computer.
Oh, so it's an app?
Exactly. Much more user-friendly
So more convenient,
for everyday transactions.
but less secure.
Well, there's always a trade-off.
Right.
Software wallets are connected to the internet,
The internet's a scary place.
so you have to be extra vigilant about security.
Extra vigilant.
Yeah, look for things like two-factor authentication.
Oh, two-factor. I've heard of that.
Yeah, that adds an extra layer of protection.
Like that code you get on your phone, right?
Exactly. You need that code to confirm transactions.
Okay, so it's not just the type of wallet.
It's not just about hardware versus software.
It's about these features.
Specific features.
What else should we be looking at?
The reputation of the company.
Oh, the company that makes the wallet.
Yeah. Do your research.
Okay, how do I research that?
See if they've been audited by security firms.
Okay, audited.
Look for transparency.
What does that mean?
Are they open about their technology?
Okay.
About their security practices?
So they're not hiding anything.
Exactly.
Okay.
Community feedback can be helpful too.
So like what other people are saying?
Yeah, read reviews, see what other users are experiencing.
Reviews got it. Okay. And I imagine like
Of course,
the coins each wallet supports are important.
compatibility is key.
Yeah. Because what if
You don't want to pick a wallet
it doesn't even work with the coin I have?
that doesn't support your favorite altcoin.
Okay, so it's like
Do your research.
just as important as picking the coins.
Absolutely.
Picking the wallet.
It's all part of the process.
Wow, okay.
But don't worry.
Okay.
There are a lot of resources out there.
Okay, that's good.
Websites, forums, reviews.
Yeah.
They can help you find a good wallet.
Find a good one. All right, so we got to be on the lookout for,
So what are some of those must-have features?
yeah, the must-haves.
Well, we talked about two-factor authentication.
Yes, two-factor,
Look for multi-signature transactions,
multi-signature.
meaning you need multiple approvals for a transaction.
So it's not just me.
Makes it much harder for hackers.
Oh, okay.
If that makes sense. And another big one is backups.
Backups, of course.
Make sure you can back up your wallet
Okay.
using a seed phrase.
What's a seed phrase?
It's a series of words
Words.
that can restore your wallet if something happens.
Oh, okay, so like if I lose my phone.
Exactly. Or your computer crashes.
Got it.
You can use that seed phrase to get your coins back.
That seed phrase is important.
Guard it with your life.
Okay, like it's the key to my kingdom.
Exactly.
So understanding all this really helps you choose the right wallet
It puts you in control.
based on what I want to do.
It's about your risk tolerance.
Yeah, how much risk I want to take.
And how you plan to use your altcoins.
Yeah.
It's your crypto journey.
My crypto journey. I love that. Okay, so before we go, what's like the one big thing
The one key takeaway.
that you want our listener to remember about all this?
The crypto world is constantly changing.
It moves so fast.
So never stop learning.
Never stop learning. Okay,
Explore different wallets.
Okay.
Stay curious.
got it.
And always prioritize security.
Always prioritize security. Excellent advice. All right, so for you listening, here's something to think about. How can you stay ahead of the curve? How can you make sure you're learning about wallets, about crypto in general, fast enough to keep up with all these changes? That's your homework. There's a whole world of information out there. Keep exploring.